Get jammed with the boat. If you get the wolf and the player stuck if you unmounted the boat. Boom! No. It glitched me. Boom. Boom. That's detected. No, it's glitch. It's glitch the Wolfie. Boom. No one can. It keeps shredding me. Boom. Oh. Get bala only. Look at this. No. Boom. Jump. No, it jumped me with a dead due to crash by unmounted boat. Oh yeah, look at that. No, no. It glitched me. His if unright the boat. Unright. Boom! Get rid of this. Let's go. Boom. 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 No. It got completely destroyed the boat. Oh yeah, it glitched the texture. Be like, nope. No, boom. No, double. Or double the wolf. The wolf, which one? Boom, stop the ride. Boom. No, stop for a while. Boom. Boom. Double the wolf got stuck underground or under blocks. Boom. It glitched. It keep boom. Glitch me. No. Boom. Cause of death. Crash. Oh yep. Look. Boom. Oh, teleport me. It opened the glitch. It keeps glitching. Boom. It cut the boat. No. Boom. No, John. Dead. Due to crash by unride by a boat. No, it doubled the boat. Look at this happen. Boom! No, it opened. Cut the second boat. No. Boom, open the glitch. Boom! No, the teleport. No. Boom, it opened glitch me as the player teleport button. No, it keeps glitching. Boom! The second wall comes. Boom! Double wall. Look. No. OMG. Boom. Oh. Dead. Cannot be respawn in creative mode due to crash by unride mode. Goodbye.